Sometimes you'll go to open CLO and you'll get this message that there's an update available. It'll kind of give you this list of everything that's been fixed since the last version that you were on, and you can kind of click through and see, if any of these issues have been things that you've experienced. Sometimes they're very specific and it might not be something you've encountered, but it's a good practice to keep your CLO up to date at all times. So you can click on this update button. If for some reason you're in a rush and you don't have time to do the update, you can click skip and this message will pop up the next time that you open CLO. So I'm going to go ahead and click update. Sometimes, after waiting a whole long time for that blue line to finish, you'll get this little pop-up that says that CLO failed to live update. I'm going to click OK, and then I'm actually just going to close CLO. So I'm just going to X out of this. It's going to tell me the update failed. I'll click OK, and I'm just going to go ahead and quit CLO. Now I'll open the CLO website, and I'm going to go to Product, and I'm going to click on Download. You want to make sure that you're logged in so that it knows that you have an account with CLO. Now you'll see the latest version for Mac and Windows. So go ahead and click on the one that matches your operating system. And you're just going to click on Download. This will download the latest version of CLO3D to your computer. And then you're just going to replace the pre-existing version with the new version that you downloaded. Once the latest version has downloaded, you're going to double click to open it. Click and drag the file into your Applications folder. You'll get a pop-up that says an older item named CLO already exists in this location. Do you want to replace it with the newer one you're copying? You're going to click Replace. This will replace the pre-existing version of CLO with the latest version that you just downloaded. Now when you go ahead and open CLO, it'll ask if you're sure that you want to open it because it was downloaded from the internet. You're going to click Open. And once CLO opens, you can look down at the bottom of the screen to see what version you're on, and it should match the number of that latest version. So now you can go ahead and just use CLO as you normally would and know that you're working in the latest version.